Let me show how you can create these AI influencer videos completely for free. On this YouTube video link, you will find a Google Documents link. Click on that link and it will open this page. On this page, you will find the prompt itself. It is the prompt to create your base influencer image. You can edit the settings as you need. You can change age, styles, nationality, and everything. For now, I'll use a pre-made prompt. For image generation, we'll use Google Flow. You can also use Google Gemini. While on Google Flow, click on New Project, and after it opens a new window, make sure at the bottom it is selected as Create Image. Then paste on your prompt. After you paste your prompt, on settings, choose Portrait, number of outputs as 2, and select Nano Banana Pro. And then click on Send. It will take some time, so just wait for a while. Okay, so as you can see, it created 2 images. One of the images has a text on it, so we are not going to use that image. So let's move on with our first image. Let's see our image. Okay, it looks good. We're going to use this image. Now for the next step, let's head on to TikTok and find some videos that we can copy. So I found this video and I feel like I'm going to use it. So for that, just copy the link of the video, then go back to Google Docs and you'll find a TikTok video downloader link. Just open that link, paste your link that you copied, then download the video. Once you download the video, go back to the Google document. Now you'll see another link, which is the frame extractor. We are going to use to extract the first frame of that video that we downloaded. Here, drop the video that you just downloaded. Then choose the number of outputs as 1 and then click on extract. It will extract the first frame of the video. Click on download. Now we'll use this extracted image to create our influencers to dress and pose like that. Go back to Flow AI and click the image that we are going to use. Then just click on Add to Prompt. It will add the image of our influencer to the prompt. Now what we need to do is we need to upload the first frame of the video that we just created. Once you upload the frame, paste on the prompt. The prompt is in the Google Documents file and I just edited a little bit on that. Now let's see. It created this image and I think it looks good. Let's download this image. After that, it's time to animate the video. Go back to Google Docs and you'll see the one video link. Click on that link, then click Try Now. Every day you'll get free credits. You can also use my code and you'll get 150 credits as well. Then click on Generate and then below you see a head-like icon that's avatar. Click on that and select Character Swap. Now click on the video and upload from computer. Upload the video that we downloaded from TikTok and then we need to upload a character image. For the character image, we will upload our new image. After it gets uploaded, you can either use the standard or the pro version. Just leave it as it is and then click on Send. It will take some time. I'll be back after the video gets created. This is the video that it created. It looks pretty good. Now download the video and open any editing software. I'll use CapCut. The reason that we're using an editing software is because the video has a watermark. Just drag the video on the timeline and then increase the size of the video. And that's it. You'll have a clear AI influencer video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel.